Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ryobi Gutter Cleaner is probably one of the most innovative and helpful attachments for power tools on the market, saving you time, effort, and the risk of injury from ladder work. This Ryobi Gutter Cleaner attachment easily connects to your Ryobi power tool, transforming your ordinary tool into a powerful gutter cleaning machine, effortlessly removing leaves, dirt, and other debris from your gutters, leaving them sparkling clean and free-flowing, protecting your home from water damage. Number 5. MINGLE Gutter Cleaning Wand. This innovative tool makes cleaning your gutters safer and easier than ever before. No more ladders or precarious balancing acts. Its extendable design allows you to effortlessly clean gutters from the ground. Say goodbye to dangerous heights. It's not just for gutters, it's perfect for cleaning under vehicles, too. Keep your car clean without getting dirty. With 5 different nozzle angles, it tackles any cleaning task with ease. From delicate flowers to tough grime, it handles it all. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it can withstand up to 4,000 psi. It's built to last. The Quick Connect feature makes setup a breeze. Simply attach it to your pressure washer and start cleaning. What we like. It offers various nozzle options for versatile cleaning needs, from delicate flowers to tough grime. Its compact size is perfect for smaller jobs or those hard-to-reach spots. If you need a tool that's both powerful and adaptable, this is the one for you. What people say. This gutter cleaner worked well and fit onto my pressure washer without any adapter. The 4 tips were easy to install and the system worked well. The attachment fit perfectly on my power washer spray wand and let me flush out debris in my gutters. I have a 2-story house lined by pine trees on one side, and the gutters on that side are always getting clogged by pine needles. This eliminates that. Item is very useful for cleaning out the gutters and did a great job with the pin needles. Number 4. MINGLE Gutter Cleaner Attachment. This innovative attachment makes cleaning hard-to-reach areas a breeze. It's perfect for gutters, undercarriages, and more. It rotates a full 240 degrees, easily reaching those awkward spots. You can precisely adjust it to 45, 90, or 120 degrees. Cleaning gutters, car rims, or undercarriages has never been easier. It gets into every nook and cranny with ease. It features a 1/4-inch quick disconnect, making it compatible with most pressure washer wands and nozzles. It handles up to 4,500 psi. Built with high-quality brass and stainless steel, it's designed to last. It's a robust and reliable addition to your cleaning arsenal. It works with gas and electric pressure washers. Use it for a variety of cleaning tasks around your home and vehicles. What we like. Its wide range of motion tackles even the most awkward angles with ease. Made from high-quality brass and stainless steel, it's built to last. If you prioritize maneuverability and longevity, this is your best bet. What people say. Have only used once, but it is well built. One thing to remember: it will turn until you turn the pressure water on. This product is very adjustable, doesn't leak and is reasonably priced. Worked with my pressure washer equipment. The Quick Connect function as good as expected and is easy to use. This allows for positioning the nozzle in ways that are otherwise impossible. Handy for hard-to-reach spots. Number 3. JANZ 24 feet Telescoping Wand. Introducing the JANZ 24 feet Telescoping Wand, your solution for high-reach cleaning. It's designed to tackle tough jobs without the need for a ladder, saving you time and effort. This lightweight yet sturdy aluminum wand is built to last. The comfortable grip and leak-proof design ensure a smooth, fatigue-free cleaning experience, even during extended use. With its 4 adjustable sections and lever locks, you can customize the length to suit your needs. The secure connections guarantee stability and even cleaning results every time. It comes with a range of accessories to tackle various cleaning tasks. From extension wands for hard-to-reach areas to multiple spray nozzles for different cleaning needs, it's got you covered. This system includes everything you need for a professional clean. The included adapters, pivoting coupler, and support harness enhance convenience and efficiency, making cleaning a breeze. We're committed to providing exceptional support. Whether you're a professional cleaner or a homeowner, we're here to help you get the job done right. Contact us for any assistance you may need. What we like. Clean those hard-to-reach gutters without a ladder. It comes with various attachments and a comfortable grip for extended use. If you value convenience and safety, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Used it on my grandmother's 104-year-old two-story house with 10-foot ceilings, and when this thing is extended fully it can definitely be difficult to manage, but once you have the harness on and get the hang of it, it's invaluable for cleaning those hard-to-reach second-story areas of your house. No need to climb any ladders or pay large amounts of money for a company. I used this with my Hart 1800 psi electric pressure washer and it worked great. This telescoping wand worked out perfectly. The shoulder strap is important, but it is really cheaply made. Another tip is to always adjust the pole so that the nozzle is perpendicular to the surface being washed, otherwise you will constantly be fighting the moment of force as it tends to want to twist in your hands. My house came out perfect, like new. The telescoping mechanism is sturdy and the locking joints are easy to use. If you need a pressure washer extension for high, difficult to reach jobs, then this is a good tool. Number 2. Ridge Washer Gutter Cleaner. Say goodbye to clogged gutters. This innovative attachment makes cleaning your gutters quick and easy. It features 2 powerful rotating nozzles that blast away debris and leaves in seconds. Cleaning your gutters has never been faster. It handles up to 3,600 psi, ensuring efficient cleaning even for the toughest clogs. It's built to withstand high pressure. The quick disconnect fitting makes it simple to attach and detach from your pressure washer. It's designed for convenience and speed. It's compatible with most pressure washer extension wands, making it a versatile cleaning solution. It seamlessly integrates with your existing equipment. Installation and removal are a breeze. Spend less time setting up and more time cleaning. What we like. Its dual turbo nozzles blast away debris quickly and efficiently. It's incredibly simple to set up and operate. If you want a fast and effective cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a fantastic system and I was a little worried that blowing the water out of each end might reduce the pressure. It did not. It worked great. In fact, I think it works far better than the pressure coming out one end because it was effortless to bounce this along my gutters and blow them out. We literally had 2 to 3 inches of muck along close to 100 feet of our gutter system on one side of our warehouse. This blew it out in about 30 minutes. The Ridge Washer Gutter Cleaner attachment works very well to clean gutters. I used my 3,100 psi, 2.5 GPM gas pressure washer to clean a gutter. The gutter cleaner quickly blasted the debris out of the gutter and blew the rest down the gutter's trench as I walked the tool along the length of the gutter. The gutter cleaner is easy to use. When pump pressure is applied, the quick connect locks the gutter cleaner from twisting in the quick connect, so it's easy to control and aim the tool inside and along the gutter trench or over and down the downspout. The device works as advertised. It may take a while, but a ladder and bucket was out of the question on my situation. The tool did not cause pinholes in my gutters. Once I see water versus debris shooting out over the gutter, I continue my process further down the gutter. Number 1. JANZ Aluminum Telescoping Wand. Introducing the JANZ Aluminum Telescoping Wand, extending your cleaning reach up to 24 feet. No more ladders needed for those hard-to-reach areas. It's built with sturdy, lightweight aluminum for comfortable handling. The fully sealed spray gun and durable hose ensure a leak-free, powerful clean. With 4 adjustable sections and lever locks, it's easy to customize the length to fit your needs. The secure connections ensure a stable and reliable performance. This versatile wand comes with multiple accessories, including 2 extension wands, 5 spray nozzles, and 2 hose adapters. You'll be ready for any cleaning task. The included gutter cleaner and support harness make cleaning gutters and other high areas a breeze. It's designed to save you time and effort. We're committed to providing exceptional customer service. Contact us anytime if you need assistance. What we like. Clean your gutters from the ground, effortlessly. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue during use. If you need a powerful yet easy-to-handle tool, this is the perfect option. What people say. This extendable pressure washer wand works great and feels really solid. It's super easy to extend and has an awesome reach for cleaning those high-up spots like windows or gutters. This extension wand allowed me to pressure wash the upper area of a 28-foot tall side of my house that I had not been able to clean for years. It worked great. The variety of nozzles was great too. This works great to clean out gutters, pressure wash the house. It does get some use to when you are at full extension. Sturdy attachment storage. I hang mine in the garage. It sure beats getting the 30-foot ladder out. Much safer than climbing up a ladder, your feet are on solid ground. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.